The fishing is great at Floyd's Cat, Carp, and Lakeside Grill, but the eating is even better at the Lakeside Grill. Come in, check out their menu. They have all your favorite sandwiches and even salads too. Cheeseburgers, hot dogs, BLTs with fries too. The grill is open Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. and during all program fishing times. For more information, call 980-480-2277. For Floyd's Cat, Carp, and Lakeside Grill, 939 Whitmar Lake Road off Highway 226 north of Shelby. Like them on Facebook too.